So the first part is ready. I just finished. Still have shitty light here, only like this, handmade. But this one is the beginning. Maybe part of you already will know what is that. What can be this? No, it's not only for the tools, you will see. Okay, so that's all for this part. Stay tuned. Okay, next step is finish. It's, as you see, I put the light here, so for sure you know now what it will be, because those are grow lights and it will work like this. Sorry guys, I need hand. And it looks like this. All four will be like this. Here. So I think it's enough space here between light. I think it will be enough for the plants. So as you see guys, it looks like that for now. There will be something more. I will just add this now. So I don't know if this will work, but if this will work, maybe it will work, because the professional one cost like $300, and I decided I have this money, but I decided I have two hands. God gives me two hands, so why I will not use it and make it. As for now, this cost only $25. Maybe $35. So stay tuned guys. So it's ready, you can see, almost ready. I need to make also the door. As you see, it's keeping, it's good, So it will hold here to the bottom. I'm wondering about the ventilation. I don't know if these small spaces here are enough for ventilation, but we will see. Now regarding the door, how to make the door here, I will show you guys something. I bought something like that. It's magnetic tape from 3M. So this will be my, from one side it's double tape, here. So those will be my door. I will just glue it here and it will close like that. I think it will be good. It don't need to be like, really straight or something, doesn't matter here, because maybe I will put here one more, but because the most important is that there is something what is making reflecting the light, that everywhere here will be the light, that the plants will be will have really good light. So small seedlings. For this one I'm wondering what to do here. Maybe I will put here some bench, connect it all to the bench or something like that, or it will just stay like that. It's waterproof, I think. Maybe not, it's from China, so no idea, but we will see. So this is for now, and now I will make the door. And it's ready now. You can see here will be the chamber, so the light is everywhere. It's really good. You can see the difference. And I made some kind of magnetic door here, but it's closing like this. Oh, I see. And here also to keep it, I make it also here. Here I make it also just to keep it when I want to open. So basically those magnetic doors are made with 3M. So as I said before, you can see here even you can see the outside, it's reflecting, so strong light. Yep. So that's all, guys. See you in the next one, and I think the next one will be about the planting, so stay tuned. Bye.